Been to LEGOLAND Windsor and think you've done everything a LEGOLAND park has to offer? Well, think again. Have you ever travelled to new places like Land of Adventure? Experienced the thrill of virtual reality? Ridden a wooden Lego coaster? Made a river raft at a Lego-themed water park? Searched for wildlife on a safari trek? Helped defeat Captain Brickbeard in a live-action water ski show? Played with the sand under your toes? Discovered a giant banyan tree? Tried adventurous snacks? And got a tan whilst doing all of this? Didn't think so? Time to get building more memories. A whole world of adventure awaits you at LEGOLAND Florida Resort.